I love when hacks are this ridiculously easy. I love it. Hey guys, welcome back to Do It at a Dime with Kathryn. Today we're making an $800 Pottery Barn mirror for under 40 bucks. Now you know I am no secret to the DIY mirror hacks on this channel. I love taking $1 Dollar Tree mirrors, and you can connect them together using packing tape and hot glue on some foam core board, and then some command strips allow this to adhere to your wall, and it looks amazing. I've made tons of these over the years, even one attached to wood with some of the Dollar Tree mini mirrors. I will have all of those linked in the description box down below. But today I challenged myself because Pottery Barn has gorgeous $800 floor length mirrors. And our entryway was looking a little bit sad. I really wanted to have a pretty floor length mirror in there for when we leave the house, but I didn't want to spend the money. But a woman named Carrie Lynn used the Do It at a Dime hashtag on TikTok to share her mirror craft she picked up from a yard sale, and I was blown away. And here's the thing, Walmart dorm and back to school section is in full swing, and giant door mirrors are on rollback at the filming of this video, and I knew I wanted to give something similar a try. I picked up this chair from Target and then 3 mirrors. I actually have 6 just in case, but let's put them up on the wall and see how they look. I wasn't quite sure the configuration. Charlie was not super thrilled about this project, but he helped me go onto Microsoft Paint, and we kind of planned out how we wanted to put it on the wall. Sometimes in spaces like that, the bigger you go, the better it looks. I really like all of them, I think. I added some command hooks to the back of these, and I only needed to use 4. And that can add a bit of cost because those retail for $8 to $9 a pack. The cheapest place to buy them are Costco and Big Lots, but if you can't find them there, the Dollar Tree sells a knockoff version that I have tried in my own home, and they work really well. The real key is to add your first top mirror and make sure that it's level, and then add one right below it, butted up against the first. I actually put these mirrors right up against the baseboard because I thought it looked the best and gave it a really custom look. And then you can just fill in the mirrors around your initially placed one. I could not believe the bang for your buck this gives in my entryway for under 40 bucks. I am just loving it. Everything in the entryway was done on such a budget. All of the items on the countertop were from the Dollar General, even the vases, I'm not kidding. And the light fixtures, you may remember from a previous video, are not connected to any hard wiring. We just installed them into the wall and used puck lights on the inside. And those are really easy to change out the batteries on because they're hot glued onto the lamp. You just unscrew, change your batteries, and add back on. I get so many questions about the puck lights. They operate on a remote control, so they turn on and off really easily. I love how this looks, and they last for hours. You have to let me know in the comments down below, should I add a little bit of paint to my mirror to distress it a bit? I kind of like the matte black, but I'm super open to it. If you guys enjoyed this video and want more simple hacks just like it that literally anybody can do, would you leave it a big thumbs up? That really helps me out a lot. And be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications because I want to catch you guys in the next video. I'll see you soon. Bye. We got this. You're doing shuttle runs, man. I bet you are, dude. That was a lot of running, man.
I'm still alive. I'm not dead.
You're not dead. Did you just say I'm not dead?